In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Cufflinks in Jupyter Notebook. Cufflinks connects Pandas data frames with Plotly, so you can turn your data into interactive charts with just a couple of lines. To get it ready in your environment, start by opening Jupyter in your browser. This could be Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter Lab. Either is fine. Make sure you're working in the same environment where your notebooks live, especially if you use tools like Anaconda or virtual environments. Installing into the correct environment ensures your notebooks can actually find the package you're about to add. Once Jupyter is open, look to the menu bar at the top and click File. This opens the options you need to create new items and access system tools. If your layout looks a little different, don't worry, Jupyter Lab may show a launcher screen, but you'll still have access to the same terminal option we're about to use. Next, hover over New, and then click Terminal. This opens a command line window right inside Jupyter. Using the terminal is the most reliable way to install Python packages for the environment that Jupyter is using. You'll see a prompt where you can type commands. At the prompt, type pip install cufflinks and press enter. Jupyter will fetch the package from the Python package index and install it. Depending on your internet connection, this might take a moment as it downloads and builds dependencies. If your system uses Python 3 and pip points to a different version, some setups prefer pip 3. If you're on managed systems and see a permissions message, you may need to install within your user profile or use the environment's package manager. Those are just environment notes. Most users can simply run the command as shown. If you see a message that says, requirement already satisfied, that means Cufflinks is already installed in this environment and you're all set. Once the command completes without errors, you're ready to use Cufflinks in your notebooks and start creating interactive visualizations from your Pandas data.